Open your preferred browser and search for OneDrive download, and then open this first link and it directly jump into OneDrive official download page. Now all you have to need, click on download OneDrive, and here we can see OneDrive exe is now downloading. Once downloaded, go to your file explorer, go to downloads and search for the OneDrive exe file. Now launch OneDrive setup.exe, and here we can see the OneDrive successfully installed. Now right click OneDrive and click on sign in, and now enter here your email address, or you can create a new account by selecting this option. So enter here your email address and click on sign in. And now to set up your OneDrive folder, you can select a different location. So in my case, I'm going to leave as it is and clicking on next. And now from here, you can back up any folders. So I'm going to turn off all of them and clicking on next. Clicking on next. And finally here, as you can see, I've successfully installed the OneDrive on my PC.